So let's talk about flight modes for a moment. We've got an airplane, and we're going to put it here in balance. And now I've got it in balance. So now let's fly the airplane. So I'm going to turn on my fan just like we're going to fly this airplane. So we're in flight, and you can see the airplane's oscillating a little bit here, but this airfoil is producing lift. So as air comes over this airfoil produces lift. What about this airfoil? He produces lift too. So if he's level like this, he's not really producing anything up or down. But if I turn this up like that, let's see what happens when I turn that up like that. When I turn this up like that, look at that. The tail's dropping. Let's turn the flight control the other direction. Look at that. Okay, so what we can conclude, it can raise the nose or it can lower the nose. So the next question is, what do we care about balance? So let's pretend that we put a bunch of weight in the baggage compartment. We put too much weight. And so I've got a couple of quarters here, and I'm going to put these quarters back here in my baggage compartment. Now look what that happens to that. In fact, it's going to get ugly. Now it makes this so that it's not even flyable. See how this drops? So what I'm going to do is the pilot in the cockpit, because we've got this weight, he's going to do this. Okay, so now he's done that, and if you see, the problem with this is that even though I've moved this, it's not enough to overcome the weight that we've got hanging here back in the baggage compartment. So what happens if I increase the speed of the airplane? Now, so let's slow it down. You can see my airfoil has got a correction there for my weight. Okay, so what we can conclude here is that balance is important because the pilot flying the airplane has control here, but we can get this thing so far out of balance that he can't control the airplane.